Today I just got the new DJI Mic Mini combo set, which is the new wireless microphone, Mac Mini. So it should be the compact version of the Mac 2 or Mac 1. Looks quite small, so I'm gonna do open up for this new Mac Mini, DJI Mac Mini. Let's see what it looks like. Let's go. It's another bag inside. What's inside? Anything else? Stickers and uses manual. Let's see what those looks like. Nice sticker. Warranty. A quick start guide. Safety guidelines. That's it. Nice. Let's put it away. Let's see what's inside this one. Nice bag. I like this bag. Oh, it's very well made. Got label on it. Ooh. One. Cables. Well, the Mac itself with the charging package. The back. Let's say wow, it's really small compared with the Mic 2. It's a charging case. Press to unlock. Nice. Say. Press to unlock. It's got a sticker on it. It's very well designed. See this yellow sticker which you put it out, then you're able to press to unlock the charging case. Whoa, nice. It starts to blink already. When you open the lid, it starts to blink. That means it's ready to pair, I think. Whoa, it's much more smaller than the previous generations. That's why it's called Mac Mini. It's so small. Got one and two. And let's say, yeah, it's a receiving unit. It's quite small. It's much more smaller than the previous generation. Got another, what's it? It's a connector to your phone. Right, that's it. That's the whole thing. So cool. What are those? Nice. I got a lot. The different colors even. What are those cables for? It's very well made. Nice. It's a camera audio cable, you connect the camera with your cameras. It's a USB-C, I think, charging cable. Two of them. Let's say, well, that's everything. Yeah. It's quite small, compact. It's mini. It's very mini. I like it. Wow, it's much more smaller. It's only 10 grams each of them, so yeah, it's small. See? It's pretty cool. Very cool Mac. Let's put the this one on to the second. Yeah, even the receiver is mini. It's very small. Without screen, because I think the previous generation you got screens on the receiver, but this one no. It just yeah, it should be, you can say on your like phone or Mac, I think, on your computer. That's it. It's all of them. In China, it's less than, well, it's 1,000 RMB, which means about 140 US dollars for the whole set. It's very cool. Let's say how big, how small compared with the previous one. See? Yeah, the right hand side is the Mac 2 and the DJI Mac 2, and the left hand side is the new Mac Mini. I think like, yeah, half of them. See? Yeah, it's very small. It's very cool. I like it. Okay, this is today's episode, the new DJI Mac Mini. I put both of them on my back in front of my chest, so you can have a look. Yeah, the new one is very small. It's so compact, so mini. I like it. Well done, DJI. And other great products. Like it.